How can you lower your expected family contribution, EFC, if you don't know how it's calculated? Did you know that there's more than one methodology that may be used to calculate your EFC? Watch to the end of this video for a complete explanation of how your EFC is calculated and to answer all your questions. Hi, I'm Christy, a Certified College Planning Specialist, member of the National Institute of Certified College Planners. For the best advice for your college journey, subscribe to the Midwest College Solutions channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Friday. If you are confused about what your EFC is and how the federal government calculates it, then watch to gain insight into how you can impact your EFC. Your EFC can be calculated by two different methodologies, federal and institutional. Institutional methodology is only used by colleges that require the CSS profile. About 10% of colleges, mostly private, and typically the results of the institutional methodology will be higher. This video is about the federal methodology, which is calculated from the information you enter on your FAFSA. Your EFC is not the amount of money your family pays for college. Often, you will pay more. It is not the amount of federal student aid you will receive either. It is the number that's used by the school to calculate your financial need. Watch Planning for College Financial Need Explanation, the 5th video in our College Advice for High Schoolers and Parents series, for information on how colleges use your EFC. Your EFC may be different for each child because the calculation has two parts. The parents' portion, which is divided by the number of children in college and the child's. Together, these amounts are the EFC for that child. This is why EFC can be different between children, though the parents' portion remains the same. Income is treated differently for parents and the student. First, let's look at how the parents is calculated. The parents' combined adjusted gross income from the federal tax form from 2 years prior, plus any untaxed income like 401k contributions, health savings accounts, is the parents' total income. Next, you take the parents' total income and you subtract each of the following: federal and state taxes, allowance for Social Security tax. This is the table. And this is from the 2018 to 2019 FAFSA Application and Verification Guide. Then you have your income protection allowance that you subtract, and this is table A3 from the same guide. And then the employment expense allowance, which is either the lesser of earned incomes in a two-parent home or in a single-parent home, that income, and it's 35% of it, or $4,000, whichever is less. Now what remains? That is the parent's available income. The student's total income is calculated the same way: adjusted gross income plus any untaxed income. The student's total income minus the following: federal and state taxes, allowance for Social Security tax, which is the same table as the parents, income protection allowance, which is a flat rate, unlike the parents. And in this case, as of 2018-2019, it was $6,570. The remainder of this is the student's available income. Let's look at assets. These are the type of assets reported. 529s are always reported under the parent's assets. Assets are always reported as of the date of signing. Changes to improve the EFC must be made prior to signing FAFSA. Major mistakes on FAFSA are reporting 529s under the student, reporting retirement assets, and businesses with less than 100 employees. Parents' total reportable assets minus their education savings and asset protection allowance, and this is the table for education savings and asset protection allowance, multiplied by 12% is the parent's contribution from assets. Students' total reportable assets are multiplied by 20%, and that becomes the student's contribution from assets. Now that you know the process for calculating your EFC, how do you optimize your EFC to create the greatest financial need? Watch our video, Planning for College, 7 Steps to Optimize Your EFC. There is a link in the description below for estimating your financial aid and EFC. This can be done as early as middle school so that you can begin planning, because the sooner you begin planning, the better. Please place questions in the comments below, and I will answer them there. Is there a particular topic that you would like to see a video on? Please put that in the comments. Visit www.midwestcollegesolutions for more helpful resources. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it and subscribe so you don't miss future videos posted every Friday. Please share this video with families that have children in late middle school, high school years, because the sooner they start planning for college, the better the outcome. And if you found this video helpful, please put helpful in the comments so that I know that I'm covering the right topics for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.